Central Housing and Planning Authority, in another show of its commitment to providing affordable housing to Guyanese, today launched yet another housing exhibition, this time at Prospect New Housing Scheme, East Bank, Demerara, to provide homes for low-income bracket applicants.
We all know it's everyone's dream to own their own home. And today, the Central Housing and Planning Authority is making that dream possible for all of Guyana.
In addressing the housing needs of our citizens, we are compelled to move beyond single units and duplexes. Condominiums will be added to some of our new developments.
That was CH&PA's Chief Executive Officer, Leland Saul. The project, which commenced in November 2018, saw the construction of 50 houses at the new scheme through collaborative efforts from private developers, the Guyana Defense Force, and the Guyana Prison Service.
And several contractors were awarded contracts for land preparation and infrastructure development, totaling $100 million. These contractors are Cambridge North Contracting Services and Puran Brothers Disposal, Inc. for infrastructure development.
Minister within the Ministry of Communities, Valerie Adams-Yearwood, said the objective of the project is to provide applicants with several options.
Increasing occupancy level in existing schemes. It is no secret that while a number of schemes were developed in the past, the occupancy rate remains low, something that cannot be sustained. And this project seeks to change that.
The open house exhibition, which commenced on Friday at Prospect New Housing Scheme, East Bank, Demerara, will continue on Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And there you have it, reporting from Prospect New Housing Scheme on the East Bank of Demerara with videographer Anil Silal, I'm Ayana George.